Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper blue-eyed grass. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below the video and the template to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. First, we start with the flower pattern, and I'm making a total of 10 of these, and you could make more or less. I cut them in 2 different sizes, and you could adjust the size to have more variety. Then use acrylic marker and start from the center and draw lines going right up to the center of each petal before the petal starts. It should kind of look like an incomplete star or a Cricut star. Then wait for it to dry, and once it is dried, use this to help curl each petal back. And use white glue, I'll be linking below the video, to glue the little tab on the center. And there is also a small cut. This little piece that has no petal should be tucked under the last petal, and it should help prop up the flower. The bottom will create a little bit of a cone shape. Once the glue is dried, poke a hole in the center. Then take 22 gauge floral wire and make a loop on the top and make it as small as you can. Then use a small amount of floral tape and cover just the loop. You need to stretch and mold the floral tape so it could stick properly onto the small loop. Then add yellow acrylic marker on just the top of the floral tape. Then poke this through the flower. Then this part is optional, but I used pan pastels to add a little browning on the leaves. You need to cut a wide variety of leaves. I gave 2 different versions and suggested 3 different sizes for each version, and color the ends with this brown pan pastel. Then I like to add 3 of the leaves on each flower stem and switch around all the variety of leaves on all the flowers. Use floral tape right below the flower. You could slide the floral tape up after gathering a little bit below. Then floral tape at an angle going down the stem, and about 1 inch or 2 below the flower, add a small leaf and add a second and third leaf below those. This flower should look like a bundle of grass with little flowers flying on top. I also finished a look with a different leaf bundle cutout and covered that on the bottom to make it look clean. You could add these onto a pot like a plant by itself with a bundle of them, or you could pair these with other paper flowers in a bouquet as a filler small detail flower. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.